There's a cloud of alcohol floating in space containing enough to make 400 quintillion liters of beer. It's called Sagittarius B2, and it's absolutely massive. This cloud spans about 45 parsecs across. That's 1,000 times the diameter of our entire solar system. To drink all that alcohol, every person on Earth would need to consume 300,000 pints each day for a billion years. Here's the catch. Most of it is methanol, which is toxic and used in antifreeze, but there is some drinkable ethanol mixed in there. You just can't reach it. The cloud also contains ethyl formate, which gives it a raspberry flavor and a rum-like smell. So the center of our galaxy literally smells like booze. And here's what makes this even crazier. Sagittarius B2 is located about 390 light-years from the center of the Milky Way. No space road trip for us. Which fact blew your mind the most? Comment below. Follow Sikho for more mind-blowing facts. Visit Sikho.ai.